Get ready to embark on a culinary showdown like no other. In one corner, we have the exotic flavors of Morocco, boasting the iconic tagine, a tantalizing blend of spices, succulent meat, and vibrant veggies slow-cooked to perfection. On the other side, we have the bold and fiery tastes of South Korea, where dishes like kimchi and bibimbap reign supreme, offering a symphony of flavors that dance on your palate. As we delve deeper into these culinary worlds, we discover the intricate balance of sweet and savory in Moroccan pastilla, contrasted by the umami explosion of Korean bulgogi. The aromatic spices of Ras El Hanout in Morocco meet the fiery heat of gochujang in South Korea, creating a clash of flavors that will leave your taste buds craving more. From the bustling spice markets of Marrakesh to the vibrant street food stalls of Seoul, each bite tells a story of tradition, culture, and innovation. Whether you're savoring a steaming bowl of harira in Morocco or indulging in the crispy perfection of Korean fried chicken, the culinary clash between these two countries is a feast for the senses. So, which side will you choose? Will you be seduced by the exotic charm of Morocco or captivated by the bold flavors of South Korea? The choice is yours as we embark on a culinary journey that promises to ignite your taste buds and leave you craving more. Get ready to experience the ultimate culinary clash, Morocco versus South Korea.